Good morning, everybody. It's 9:30, 6 degrees outside.
4 degrees outside.
4 degrees, I did that again. This is take number 2. And we just finished pooping the poopy. And we're gonna go out and get breakfast. We woke up to a little surprise. There was no power this morning due to a motor vehicle accident. And there is no power in both Tofino and Ucluelet, so it must be somewhere down the line to have both places out at the same time.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go into town, and hopefully there's power at our at the place we want to go to, Rhino Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna go to town anyways.
And just see. Because even if they don't, then maybe it's half an hour that we wait or something.
Yeah.
So.
Because it's 9:30. Power's supposed to be on by 10:30. Could be earlier. Could be later though.
Yeah. So we'll just go in either way.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Rory, is the ship's captain?
Maybe this one? Woo!
Compan.
Wow. What?
Are you the ship's deckhand?
I'm more like the ship's captain's booster seat. I feel like that's more an accurate representation of my duties.
Yeah. These are...
Where we go?
that might be it, yeah. These are pretty new. These aren't them, are they? No?
I think
This is like the very fancy ones. The beach houses. Yeah, because... Oh, there's a hot tub, though.
Yeah.
So nice. Personalized hot tub. The water. Here we go. Neat little, like, nature walk.
I don't want to do this.
You won't. That's what this,
I know, but I feel like I still could.
Oh, wow. actually forgot to acknowledge Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 1. I don't know if I'm going to get to it every day this year, but maybe I'll try. I'm acknowledging Vlogmas because I didn't realize I forgot that it was Vlogmas day 1. So happy December 1st. Oh, look at this big one back there. We just finished walking the beach. The water keeps coming closer and closer. So we're just kind of chilling. This one's probably gonna come right up, almost up to us. We're gonna relax and then we're going to, what are we doing for dinner?
I don't know what it's called. Shelter restaurant?
Oh.
I think that's what it's called.
At 6:30? 6:30. And that's really kind of it. This is what we came here for, to not do too much and relax and see the big waves.
Get up.
Yeah.
Good job.
You little soggy doggy. Oh, you got sand on your snoot.